everybody, thanks for tuning in. That is what we are up against. PS5 HDMI Pro, PS5 HDMI Pro replacement. Let's dig in. Alright, well apparently only the posts were connected and the whole thing fell out while I was getting it prepped. So let's go ahead and remove the old SATA and assess the damage on the other side. It must have fell straight down onto the port. And somehow that capacitor survived. I'm not complaining at all. Less work for me. It was just a little surprising. Was a little shocked and satisfied. No torn pads, I will definitely accept. Gladly accept. I already went ahead and removed all the little chunks of pins that were in there. It was all filled with bits and pieces of the HDMI pins. SATA. Gotta really work it in there. This side won't look the prettiest, but it's okay because it will work. SATA right there. Too much SATA. I'm gonna fix it up. That's the final outcome on the pins. That's the final outcome on the posts. That's the touch up on the liquid metal. Let's test it out. That was weird. Why is it flickering? Well, I'm probably going to switch back to Amtech. I'm almost out of my King Bow. I bought like 20 of them. Once I run out, I'm going to go back to Amtech because it causes little flickers and flashes and stuff sometimes because it's conductive. So if it connects to the pins, you get interference. But anyhow, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We do have memberships now if you'd like to show more love and support. Be sure to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.